You know? Well, chef, come here, history man. He's the history man. Well, chef, how this train reach here?
How this train reach here?
Yeah.
We have to understand, say, the 2022, them time, the train used to run boy and for the building,
Yeah?
Yeah, the building never there, them time there.
Wow.
You see me? The train they used to run from east, west.
Okay.
Nah, because the police get to go south. One up south. You see it? On the other side there.
Okay.
Alright, you're going to know.
Great place for everyone. Living in America, you can achieve a lot of money. But you gotta work hard to earn it, honestly. And if you don't, they will take it away from you or she. Turn you from riches into poverty. Throw you into jail as gardenly for the wrongs that you have done. Please don't let it be. By law, everyone got to pay their penalty, even to the president. That everyone can see. The reason for the United Nations is because divided we fall, united we stand.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Shota.
Shota.
Hello, Shota.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, man.
What's your name?
Kino.
Kino, this is Shota.
Shota from Japan.
Oh, yeah,
We have
man.
Shota from Japan.
Good, man.
So so welcome guys. This is Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And we're here in Trenchtown. You can check me out on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica. So we're here with Shota, all the way from Japan.
Yeah.
You know, we're gonna show him a nice time here, you know, getting to know the environment of Trenchtown, you know, where Bob Marley is from. You know, Bob Marley born St. Anne's, but he grew up here in Trenchtown, you know.
Right.
So when you hear everyone sing about Bob Marley, you always say Trenchtown, you know, but this is the place.
Nice.
Have you met this lady already?
Yes.
Her name is Chicken Lady.
What's her name?
Her name is Carrion.
Daria, nice to meet you.
Yes, same
From
to
Japan.
you.
Yes.
You're gonna have a good time here, and I regret it here. Yeah, sure, you a nice time.
Yeah.
So just go around and get familiar with the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, and do your thing.
Yes,
Right?
Thank
So,
you.
Yes, man. So how do you like it so far in Jamaica?
Jamaica, it's so... I just arrived 3 days ago. At the beginnings, because I was downtown, right?
Yeah.
And then people told me, you have to be careful and stuff like this. So I was kind of like, okay, just step back a little bit, be careful. But when I started speaking with the people, the people are so nice, man, actually.
Yes,
and then my heart is a little bit opens, and then wow, different views, right?
Yes.
It's nice people.
Yes. Yeah, man, they're nice people, man. You know, people here, because, you know, obviously, everywhere you have your good and you have your bad, you know, and some people don't really like cameras. So just the way you approach them, you know, but once you explain to them you're good, no one's going to do you anything, because you never yet hear in the history of Jamaica that a tourist got hurt by any locals. You never heard that, right? Never. So that will never happen. You know, they more protect you than protect me. You know, imagine that. Right, Natural? Ask anyone. They'll more protect you than them protect me, and I'm the local. You know, so this is Natural. He's one of my...
Nice to meet you.
Yes. So he's Shota from Japan.
From Japan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So I'm here, you know, he's a YouTuber as well, to him travel and travel the world. Yes.
Sorry?
There's quite a journey
Yeah.
to be here.
Yeah, but I was in Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico to here.
Mexico to here.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're traveling.
He traveled the whole world.
Nice vibes here, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Jamaica, no problem.
Okay.
In Jamaica, they say no problem. No problem.
No,
But some
so
of the place is a little bit scary. Like, I was
Price?
in the Tivoli Garden, around there. You know, a little bit like people is like aggressive. You know?
yeah.
Some place.
Yes.
It's more like it's very territorial.
Yeah, I feel like that because between the territories, This is the police always, because always they fight, right?
It's headquarters, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's headquarters for territory.
Yeah.
Territorial people.
Yeah.
Headquarters. Down there is headquarters.
So here also has a territory?
No.
Yeah.
Here's free. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bob Marley plays this.
Yeah,
Bob Marley
tourists.
Yeah.
Tourists come here all the time.
Yeah. It's a piece.
Yes.
Bob Marley ground this man. Yeah, Bob Marley ground this. Yeah, Bob Marley lived originally.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He knows Bob Marley.
You know Bob Marley good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bob Marley friend.
Oh yeah, Bob Marley's friend.
Yeah. Yeah, go on, you can flame him, man. Killer, speak to him. This is Johnny Vibes. He's a music producer.
Oh nice. Yeah.
Music producer. Yes.
How's your trip, kiddo?
It was good, man.
Yeah, man, lovely.
It was good, man. I met the wow chef.
Yeah, man, straight.
Safe.
His name is the wow chef.
Oh chef, yeah.
He's the chef here, you know. When he cooks and you eat, it's like you eat from Japan. They cook that stir fry.
Yeah.
He done that real right.
Oh okay.
He's the big chef, so we call him wow chef. You know.
That's warm community here, eh?
Yeah, man. You see, it's gonna be different. I told you go in some community, some is gonna be aggressive because of the camera. Some is gonna be welcoming. You know, so it all depends where you go. You know, people will more speak to you.
Yeah.
You know, so here in Trenchtown, because of Bob Marley, represent more love, you know. So yeah, we'll try to welcome with everyone. Cause this is a tourist area.
Okay.
You know, he lives here now, you know.
Yeah, man.
Here is a tourist area.
Yeah, Trenchtown is a tourist area.
Oh, okay.
It's all tourists and everything that always coming.
There's a tourist here. Bus, car, every minute you see them come. It's all about Trenchtown and knowing about Bob Marley and all the people them live and some of them. So it's a place that make you happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just enjoy yourself and you just come in with the people them and them treat you good same way.
Yeah. And we have a lot of Japanese coming here as well to come see. But yeah, a lot. So we're gonna walk so you can see the community.
Yeah, sure.
You know, so you can get familiar with faces.
Yeah, that would be good.
Right? You want anything to drink? You good?
No, I'm all good, man. Thank you.
You're good.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So we have.
I park there.
Yeah. Where you park?
Same blue car there.
Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, good.
Yes, guys. So we're here with Shooter.
Nobody
You know, you're good, man. You're very safe.
Okay.
You don't have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
You can even leave the car open. No one will go in there.
That's
Right?
a French town. Right?
That is the Trenchtown love. No one will go in there, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we have Shooter here all the way from Japan. He's a world traveler as well too. You can check out his YouTube. The link will be in the description. You can check him out, you know. He's also got over 500,000 followers as well, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so he's got over 500,000 followers. You can check him out on Instagram as well too.
Yeah, Instagram, yeah. Also.
Same name?
Yeah, same name, Bapa Shota.
Bapa Shooter. You know, big movie star already, man.
Thank you, man.
Shooter. Then so
Yes.
here more to do.
Next move on now.
More.
So I there and then man. So
Yes.
So my there so can go and bring him around and look yard and make him take to look a picture.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah,
you
man.
go down the same can
Yeah, man. I bring him in a yaga shop, look on the tourist button then, you know. Look Rasta chain then.
Yes.
You know.
Big up. You know, you think of Johnny Vibes. So we're here giving Shooter. Alright, so blessings. So we're giving Shooter a tour of the
How you doing, mate?
giving Shooter a tour of the community. Come Shooter. So you Shooter, as I said, she as well, she lives right there.
Oh, she live there.
Yeah, she lives right there.
Nice.
She lives right there, so come on.
Yo, there you go. I think I buy 5 packets of fish now, girl. So I'm going to be it. I say, why buy it? Him say, coach tell him, say, I'm going to be put 5 fish now, girl. In the water. No, 5 fish season in the water and beard. So I say, why must? I say, no. I say, you see a style, I pick a style. And Scott tell say, you have fish. And you say, you season yourself for the fry.
French town, a little bit different, you know, like.
I say, you know, you must season himself for the fry. Because I've been in a fish season.
Yeah, so this street that we are now is called West Road.
Oh, okay.
The West Road of Trenchtown, you know. As you can see, Trenchtown, you know, a lot of zinc fences. You know, the trenches and everything. So, but people try to elevate themselves by building a construction for themselves, you know. Try to develop them home to make into a better living condition.
Yeah.
You know, so Trenchtown have a lot of streets,
Yeah.
you know, first street, second street, third street, fifth street, go all the way up to about, well, I think 12th street, 13th street,
Okay.
you know.
House too.
Yeah, this one. You know, so, you know. Blackie? Evening.
Just come from here, man. I'm not cool off it. Cool off myself again.
Yes, guys, so, you know, so they're here with Shooter, you know, call him Shooter, you know, all the way from Japan. Is it Konnichiwa Japanese?
Konnichiwa, yes.
Ah, Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
See, I know that one. Konnichiwa Japanese.
No, bro, can you explain me? It's okay. So at the moment there's like a gang war or something around here. Or...
Oh, yeah. That's why I look down. Okay. Yeah. Derby. Yeah.
You come late, man. No key in a life for you. Come top.
Derby. Oh, go on.
So we come.
Scare bear. Oh, that's scare bear, that. Cool, man. General.
Africa. I never been to Africa, but here since I came here, like my imagination of Africa maybe.
So here now we have ceramic.
Oh wow.
You know, a ceramic school.
Yeah.
Yeah, where them try to teach the kids them
Okay.
how to
make, okay. That's
yes, how to make here. Wow! I make him turn on the music. Why are you running?
I just come to buy some things, you know.
I just come buy some things.
Yeah, shopping.
Shopping. So, this is what you're gonna eat out?
And I shop, may I shop?
Yeah, both. Do the soup.
Welcome, people come here, come shop, so I'm gonna come buy these.
Yes. Blessings. Been a while, my general. Cooler man, it's been a while, man. Cooler man, how is everything?
Yeah, I'm busy.
Busy as usual.
Yeah, man, we're trying
Yeah.
from from the yes,
Shooter, this is
Garfield. Garfield, love man. Respect.
he's the one that in charge of here that build all of this and everything, you know. So he's a YouTuber from Japan.
Oh, Japan.
Yeah, Japan.
From Tokyo, Japanese.
Yeah,
Japanese. Okay.
close to Osaka.
Close to Osaka.
Come home and establish this in the community.
Yeah man, they show the world what's going on. Say Garfield, the music a little bit down. Yeah.
I'll turn it right on.
Yeah, cause the microphone them sensitive. So Empress,
Blessings.
blessings always. So you're buying, what you buying? Is that for eating from or just
No,
to...
so may I go put this upon my entrance table. Right.
Okay, so we're gonna put inside it vase, like flowers.
Yes, possibly.
Flowers.
Some crystals.
Okay, like
Yeah.
marbles and them things.
Right. So yeah.
Man, she know all Johnny, you know.
Yeah, oh, you know Johnny Vibes.
Man. I'm Rasta City, Rasta this, Rasta, you know.
And
But you have to link the genius there.
well, you say, well, you've been doing great already so
Me?
far. So what's this you have now?
Born great.
Exactly. What's this you have now? Ashtray?
Yes, an ashtray. But I like the finishes like this. You know, that's my style. I'm a rustic kind of vibe.
You like it rough?
You have painted ones over there.
So you like the rough ones then?
Yeah, I like them rustic looking like this.
Okay, well you have different taste then.
Right.
See. So why you like it this way?
Yeah, that's my style.
Your
It's more
style.
natural. It's
Natural.
about give me a nicer. You see the word rustic like an old school vintage kinda.
Yes. I get you. Natural mystic. Wow.
Finished product and not the nice, clean, pretty, shiny.
Yeah. But it's still looking great, same way as how it is. Yeah. Yes, guys. So as you can see, this is what he makes. You know, and this is all what he makes and everything. You know, he's the ceramic man. So he teaches kids them as well too. You know, he teach kids as well to how to make all of this stuff. You know, he got a school where him try to teach the kids them. You know, so the original Ancart. One Love Jamaica. So Shooter, you can interview him. Yeah. Yeah, man, guys. So if you're interested in any of these ceramic, you know, as you can see the work we do, you know, I'm gonna you can contact me. I can give you his contact number, or I'm gonna make him shout out his contact number and everything. Rasta Jackson, you can't make them thing, yeah. Rasta Jackson, are you with this, you know? This is the pipe. Natural. Yeah. Nice. And so look on this, this nice.
Yeah, look for
original domino and everything. So this man built two man playing dominoes and two Rasta man as well too. Yeah. You know. Bad. Wow. Johnny Vice, see that one here? This bad.
Look at me say serious of them.
Trenchtown vibes.
I'm winning now, when I win come out.
Cause him have the deuce blank. And him have deuce S and S blank. So okay, so him win.
Yeah.
Him win.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, yeah. So see you win a year.
Yeah.
Hey, that's skill. Skill. Creative, I'm not lie.
Yeah.
And this is at the market.
Very good.
You know, I'm hustling at the market.
My girl say shop, she go shop look well. Hop look well.
You can't here.
Yeah, right banana.
You have the right banana. This is what is.
Lime.
So a big one that.
It want come like the weight name there. The weight name
big cat and everything. Him bad. And the man classic vehicle here, the van.
Yeah, the van, like a Benz.
Classic. Very classic. Classic. So I go on in there. So you have things in there so too? Johnny Vibes, you like that one there though?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. No joke.
That's
yeah. And Charlie's very creative. You know, so it's the Trenchtown Ceramic Art Center, Garfield, Williams. So this guy is well certified and everything. You know, classic pictures and everything. Oh, see, so you have some Japanese these, right? A Japanese them here. So I told him that a lot of Japanese that come here as well too, in Trenchtown. Yeah. A lot. Yeah, how we the food. Up Mali, some country man. And we have moved the Jamaica #1 movie. Some classic. Very classic.
Yes, he's scared.
Natural.
And it's a pound and a half that you know.
You see this, they weigh a pound and a half.
Yeah, pound and a half, because he there is scared.
Hey man.
I shake the shaker, she shake the shaker in her hand. I said I'm not shake. The shaker.
Build up a Rasta cottage and put pure these stuff in here. Right, Messi? pure these stuff. Coffee. So guys, as a man, it's a black star liner. So guys, so this is where everything gets started from. As you can see, this is where all the work gets started from over here. Very talented man. Very talented. Very talented. Wow, these are the chalice steam pipe. Them call it steam pipe. You know, this is where you see him doing works, them sit down. And so this is all from clear. You know, this is what he's making now and everything. Very nice. So this is the oven. This is where them bake everything in there, them put everything in this. This is where all the work take place. Sometimes them come out burn, as you can see. After when them clean it up, it's all ready. So this is the ceramic place here. So D, this is what D was looking for to eat. This clay. This is the clay, you know. This is all the clay. Imagine we used to eat that as well too as a younger child. We used to eat that so much when I was younger, eating that clay. Eat it so much. So you have Garfield over there is getting an interview with Bappa, Shooter, you know. So right here you have some mass as well too. Whoa. Look at this. Man is so talented. Look at this. This look like me, don't it? Hey. We're doing this and this is how it's done. And when people live here, go about their everyday lives, they're used to this way. So we're not going to just
yeah, man. Honor again to see you, man. Yeah, they're here, man. One sleeping, the other one I have to bring to our country.
So Garfield,
my mom needs a dog around it.
Give them a contact number just in case if anyone want to get any one of your handcraft, your work, what you've been doing. If anyone want to purchase anything or want to get in contact with you, just give them a contact information where them can reach out to you.
Appreciate that. Yeah, man. Welcome again to Trenchtown, Trenchtown Art Center. I have to big up Trenchtown and big up Bob and you know everything that's going on right now. How you can contact the center or find your way here? You can look on Google. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. The handle is Trenchtown Art Center. The email is trenchtownvibes@gmail.com and well, telephone number is 876-502-3368 and we're welcoming all visitors. Workshops are also welcome. We have a lot of visitors that come in from overseas that they love when kids are here. I have a group coming in the 22nd of next month. Oh no, this month. And they were here last year, and the energies is, you know, they want to see the youths around when they come.
It's nice to see the youths around, you know. And I know a lot of them probably hear the accent and probably wonder where is the accent from. Used to be in Canada, right?
Yeah, I grew up.
Yes,
I left Trenchtown here when I was 6 years old, 1973. I've been saying for years it's 72, but my dad let me know that my mom left 72, and then we left a year after.
Yes.
And we actually left from Columbus Road.
Yeah.
But we're actually on Dove Street. That's my phone.
It's your phone. Yeah, so he's an original Trenchtonian man that was born and grew here in Trenchtown and migrated to overseas. So guys, as you can see, him give you the contact information if you're interested in getting any one of these handcraft work, ceramic work that you've seen done, you know, feel free to contact. And if you know anyone, any kids you know in Jamaica that you think you can shoot to this direction to come and learn, you know, this trade, the skills, it's wide open, the door is wide open, you know, and Garfield welcome each and everyone here. Right, Garf?
Yes, man, most definitely.
Okay, so big up yourself, man, and more strength every time. Just continue to do great work, see me?
Thank you very much.
You know, and it's been a blessing to know, so the journey still continue for you.
Man, it's good to see you, man.
Yes, man.
See many more things. I'm following you, and it's funny enough, I have people from overseas, from Toronto and Canada, don't stop saying, yo, you know, Kino, man, he's doing great things.
Yeah,
amazing. You know this man? I say, yeah, man, I know. Hi, baby. Afternoon. How was school today?
Afternoon.
That's great. That's great. All right. So we just have some friends passing through today. All right.
No worry. You can still pass through whenever you're ready. Okay. Yeah, man.
So
good work for continue, man. You know?
man. The friends overseas don't stop. Bigging you up.
Yeah.
And let me know that you're doing
Alright, so big up on yourself. The friends them overseas will always are kind of big me up. Big up yourself as well when you see this one, you know. And the one greatness see me, you're doing great work same way, you know. Just because his work will highlight, but now we're putting outside again once more so they can see the great work that Garfield is doing. Yeah. Man, it's very talent. Big up yourself, yeah? Every time. Shooter? Hey, shooter. Oh, the mosquito. Mosquito. Yeah. Come in. Whoa, Jackson. Come on.
Big up Joe from me, yeah?
Yeah. The shooter. Oh, morning, sir. Yeah, the mosquito them like the fresh blood, and that's one thing in Jamaica. Once a year, the mosquito is gonna take a bit of set on you know? Get the fresh blood. You know?
I love man every time, yeah? Come on, every time.
Liquor, all this some of that, please. Let me take out that.
Yeah.
My IG is Trenchtown.
Let me take that for you.
Social on IG, you can look me up.
Okay.
Alright?
Trenchtown Center.
Art Center.
Art Center. Okay.
Yeah, man.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Blessings, yeah?
Thank you.
Alright. Everybody, love.
Yeah. Come, shooter. We'll take one picture here. Go. Come, shooter. Take a. Shooter, stand up yourself. No go there so we shooter. I'm take a picture with you.
Photo?
Yeah, photo. Go there with them.
Photo.
Come in, Garfield. Come here, one here. Johnny, go. It's been a while. Konnichiwa.
翔太です。
翔太くん、あやです。
よろしくです。
いくらなんだ今日は。
そうですね、kind of.
Aya, it's been a while. What's up?
Think you gonna falling?
I'm back now.
When?
Long time. About 2 weeks. So.
2 weeks now. Oh,
Yeah, I'm back now.
Come there before Christmas.
Before Christmas?
Yeah, this will go.
When you going?
In this month.
This month, gone again.
Yeah.
See, I bring an ex friend from Japan. You know, see? Jota from Japan. Yeah. YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah. Check him out on YouTube. Bappa Shooter. Yeah. So check him out on YouTube. If you,
first time come here?
Yeah, first time.
She's speaking patois. She's speaking patois. She live here. Yeah, she lives here. Trenchtown. Tell him about Trenchtown.
Nice friend.
Nice vibes.
Nice. I told you.
So when did you come here?
This time?
Yeah.
Before Christmas. December.
But before, how many years here in Trenchtown?
Years, month.
More than 20?
More than 20 years, man, from the 90s.
1995 super dead, no?
Yeah, man, them time. Before that.
In the 90s, she's been coming here from the 90s.
Super, like a massive jet, you know?
Yeah.
Massive jet, like a super, so called massive jet. The man dead from 1995, and she come on the phone. 1995. Yeah. But that's a 1990 then, when I put it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she there.
Long time, eh?
Long time.
Oh, she younger, you know?
More younger than time, that was younger. Look younger. Yeah.
See?
She's just big and
Super massive jet. Stay clear, you understand me? This is massive.
You know massive jet?
Massive jet. You don't know the massive. See?
Come on.
Kind of. Sometimes happening.
Kind of, yeah.
Kind of.
Actually, so never the war. Wow,
Because I was in Tivoli Garden, and people told me at the moment it's down, it's like a calm, but you don't know when it's gonna happen.
Yeah, yeah.
But seems very
Well, no.
calm.
It's calm and calm.
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
It's ups and down, up and down, up and down. It never stay the same for too long. Always up and down. One thing, cool now. That is it. So this is Aya shooter.
Nice vibe though here.
Yeah.
It's completely different to the, Tivoli Gardens, other communities.
Yeah.
The best place, French are the best place in the world.
Why did you decide to come to Jamaica?
Yeah.
Reggae music, massive red, massive carry.
So I'm gonna bring him to Culture Yard, Bob Marley Culture Yard, show him what's it like, you know? Yeah? Ready? Come. Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Come this way. Yeah. Come on, man. Java. Cool. Come. See this?
Yeah. You can go from this way?
Yeah, come, follow him. Come. This is small walks. They're bringing shooter, exploring trench town to see what it's like here in the garrison, walking through. This is a school. Where is shooter? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm fix build a house here, so. Oh. This is a school shooter. School here. This is a primary basic school.
Give me some of
Yeah, that's a grape there, sir.
cherry.
Grape there.
Cherry.
We're at the cherry tree, guys. The cherry tree. Really tree. Lisa. Real Lisa cherry tree. Sweet. Cherries.
Yeah, cherry.
You've tried cherry before?
Yeah.
That one bag. Get it.
Nice. Mango and cherry. Shooter, have you seen the movie One Love? You seen the movie? One Love. So
them do. They're overpowered. And then if I this Friday, I make it Friday.
You will look at honors.
You will help me. You will help me. You hear me. I'm going to go on.
Look like him. The pro box. The legends. So these are the legends of First Street. Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Artisan, Ellis. Well, these are some of the legends them, you know. Legends of First Street. Wailing Soul. Classic. Mine, you know. Why Sam's? And I ever take bus. Frenchtown culture here where Bob Marley and the Wailers them was living.
Yeah.
The whole family was living here. So this is more like a tourist attraction now for tourists.
Yeah, but now no one live there, no?
No, just for tourist attraction. So normally if you want like to go to have a look, you can just give a contribution, you know, and you can see what's going on inside there and everything. Where? My general. So this is this. Oh, go on, Brownie. How when you flying back? Yeah, so that is the culture, as you can see the artwork and everything. There's some artwork recently done around here. You're gonna like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show it to you. Very nice artwork.
Okay.
But done by Lady Goose.
Okay.
He's one of the Trenchtown art man. He's very good at. He's the one that done all his work, his artwork. It's very good. As you can see, you know, very good. Ziggy Marley, Stephen, Damien, and all of them. Oh, that richest man in Trenchtown. I got me. There, man, in town. Look at these ones. Sophia. There. All is well. I just wow chef here. So wow chef here. Perfect. Look at these. Shooter. So this is all the artwork now that's recently done. Yo, General. I need a picture right there, so the One Love, Bob Marley, One Love. Yeah, Megan. Wow, come take the picture here for me there, wow. Right at the One Love sign. Up here, start from Raphael Smith, you know, Megan. One of the most righteous leaders Trenchtown ever see. You know, Megan himself. So these are the artists that done these work. As you can see, you have Mr. Robinson with Lady Goose, One Jar. So here you have a contact number if you're interested in the artists. So these are the works right here. So we have Selassie himself. So take a look at Selassie himself. We have Vincent Ford, aka Tata. Start and sell. I have the bunny whaler right here. You have bunny whaler. So this is bunny whaler himself right here. And we have Bob Marley, the legend himself. Peter Touch.
That's how I concrete off now.
Rita Marley. And we have Delroy Wilson himself. Second Street, Delroy Wilson.
The picture of the lion take off on the second street.
Where the man them bad though?
Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
Man them bad, man. Bad. So this artwork very well done. Man them bad, man, I lie. Yeah, man.
Everything shot.
Ah, cool now.
Yeah, see? Yeah, man, hold them, man. See? Body! No, sir! I'm going to put in the window and different, man.
Yeah.
Oh, no, come over, I'm going to come
So we're on there. Yeah. Yeah. Shooter. See some of the holes them there. Yeah.
Alright, small.
Yes guys, so we're rolling in on the other side of Trenchtown. You know we have two sides of Trenchtown. So you know we have two sides of Trenchtown, and the side that we're on, and then this is the next side of Trenchtown. So there's two sides. You know, you come across the bridge and say if you cross the bridge. Yeah, so this is the next side of Trenchtown that we're at. You know, rolling through here on the next side of Trenchtown. That's the train there. And that's the park where you have the pool, the community park. You have a pool inside. You have a pool inside, you know. Kids them playing football. And you have the train over there. You want to go and look?
This is also Trenchtown.
Yeah. This is all Trenchtown. So it's two sides of Trenchtown. So this is the kids them playing football here, and you have a pool here, community pool. This pool, I grew up in this pool. Yes. So these are the kids them playing football here. The kids them playing football, and you have the community pool. Yeah. You know. I used to come swimming here as well too as a local one.
Bon Mario also used to play here.
Yeah.
Trying to catch this.
So this is the famous Wilton Garden, the park, you know.
Yeah.
They used to call it Wilton Garden because in here back in the days set up like a garden.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah, and this pool. I remember I used to swim in this as a little one.
No more water now.
No, cause from a child drowned inside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so from the child drowned, like they don't really full it up back anymore. But a little child drowned inside of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that kind of changed everything, you know?
That looks very peaceful here.
Yes, very, very. As I said, everyone is trying to elevate, you know, trying to do the good more than the negative. So,
for the kids?
Yes. So, yeah. So this is the name. This is the Wilton Garden.
The W there.
Yes, the W Wilton Garden. So in here, it's so pretty way back in the days.
Yeah, pretty pool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here the pool.
Full of water, yeah.
And here was like a garden, you know.
All right.
Yes.
Pretty.
So Wilton Garden in Rima. Yeah man, the building them look nice. So this is the train. You know. Wow chef, come here, history man. He's the history man. Wow chef, how this train reach here?
How this train reach here?
Yeah.
And we have to understand say the 2022 them time the train used to run boy and for the building them building.
Yeah?
Yeah, no building never there them time there.
Wow.
You see me? The train they used to run from east west.
Okay.
Nah, because the police get to go south. Run up south. You see it?
Yeah.
On the other side there.
Okay.
Alright, you're gonna east. Like it go to Mark across the road. Yeah. Downtown at the train station. Yeah, downtown train station. Yeah, so yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, you can go there, I just say walk and go up, you know.
Yeah, you can go inside. Hey, wow chef said the train used to go east, west, north, but they couldn't go south. Hey, so this is the kids them playground now. So this is the kids them playground. What? Climbing the train. Mine in the drop, you know. Choo choo. Hey, which direction this train going? Choo choo. Original train. Shota.
Take picture of him. You look like a chair.
Choo choo.
Oh, grab the chair. Turn on the fire.
Turn on the fire. Turn on the fire.
Rex.
Fire. Fire. So the fire party. They put the fire. Fire. Blaze it up.
When you blaze it up, fire. Rex, stop. The whistle. Here, come down. Oh, easy, come down.
Great place for everyone. Living in America, you can achieve a lot of money. But you gotta work on touring it, honestly. And if you don't, they will take it away from he or she. Turn you from riches into poverty. Throw you into jail as gardenly for the wrongs that you have done. Please don't let it be. By law, everyone got to pay their penalty, even to the president. That everyone can see. The reason for the United Nations is because divided we fall, united we stand. With that decision, I have seen nothing wrong. But many leaders of this world don't want to come to the conclusion. They want to build nuclear bombs and nuclear weapons to destroy their own another nation. America stand and dead body, he won't let that stand. Why can't we learn to love and care for everyone? So America is they're giving out a lot of Grammys to the best of the best in the music industry. It is not only for America, it's also for you and me. They give us an award, we can be a celebrity. So if we're a good musician, America will give us an award we can reach to. So So what we do, I'm doing that song for them. We say, tell me they're gonna send a black helicopter. And them say there are 5 chairs, 5 stages. I'm gonna be on the first one, and who I choose gonna be on the fourth. So this song is what? They're gonna vice for him now. America is a land of opportunity, and it is also a free speech country.
What do you mean? I mean, about work.
So make me hear support Japan.
I want to know, like, you think America is good or what?
I can explain. Every country in the world have obstacles. There's none perfect. There's none as good as it should. But the one that makes ability for all people.
Do you think it's possible?
Just like Japan.
Possible to get
Right. But United Nations, if I come to the plan, sir, we need to form a United Nation. And the United Nation of every man from each country represent their island. So if something goes wrong that I'm doing, you have the power on the right to decide whether it is wrong or whether it's right. America is a country. Not my job. Not a country. And I see that happen. England, Canada. Singapore is the best one. I travel. But when it comes to Japan, China, all these European countries, I don't see that justice. Putin. Because why? We are communists. Communists only mean one leader. And it's only one man dictate, one man has staff. Me and you every time they kill with. The last scientist, I'm a scientist. I mean give them the medication for COVID, which is a medication that I give them. It's a dead baby in his mother womb, which is has more protein, because COVID is a flu, and a symptom of flu. So in other way to cure flu is protein. And the greatest protein in life is when you're formulated. So I give them the dead baby in his mother womb, so we use that. But at the same time, the best country that free for all. And you can criticize government, you can criticize people, you can criticize who you want to criticize until they do better. We can't come down and come criticize Japan and China. Them sue me in a minute.
But you know, like, Japan is not the communist.
But yeah, they are not. But what happened? Japan is the best country.
So producer this now.
Understand. Producer,
an engineer.
Engineer slash,
And he's also a producer as well too.
Producer reasoning.
Yes. So the music industry collide right now.
Yada Film Street. Yada Film Records. We have one we have built about Trenchtown. The rhythm is called Artisan come from here in the and good artists come from here. Breadwinner, you know Al?
Yeah, we know breadwinner.
That's my bro. Yo, that's my dude. Any crazy rhythm me need. I have some fresh.
So where's the studio? Where's the studio? You know, we never see the studio yet.
You know, so we are building currently, but in the house, record.
Okay.
Time being, but no background noise, everything done professionally. You understand? So if you hear it, you will think it's out at
top studio.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a love in
and you are the engineer. Okay. Never know the parts, so man.
Yeah. So I say a double-matic, a straight Italian record. Japanese, they can't wait. I may have some record with the combination, Yada Fame, with Masaki pressure, biggest sound system that in Japan. So my time for talk time, must know them.
Yes.
Yeah,
of course.
Iowa.
Come to your daughter, she alright?
You see you Japanese? You see Jamaica?
Long time, I don't see her for a long time.
I used to be a
long time. She's coming on, alright?
But the words of the wicked, you can't trust.
Bro, you see you them, you see my studio, I'm in a record
While the wise love to improvise.
Straight positive.
Strictly culture. And you to go eat my boy after that. That's why I'm strict to the elder them. Carl Dawkins, Color Red, Fred Locks, Mark, some veteran and the thing. Yeah man, no race Andy.
You just don't know who you are. Even what is done for. When you want to be
because it's movable. So we can go anywhere. 31. 93 born. 93. January. Yeah man. This is okay, thank you so much.
I don't want link, man. One link.
What are they doing with this one?
Cashback.
Cashback, what's that?
It's like lotto. Yeah.
Like a game, then
Yeah. In Jamaica, it used to call Japan.
Right.
Yeah, used to play one in Jamaica called Japan.
Wow.
I just said same thing.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.